Let's make a cityscape, or a picture of a city. Begin by writing your name with a white crayon and then turn your paper over and put your paper in the landscape position. This is great for making cities because you can create lots of buildings side by side. Let's begin by making a moon. Draw a big letter C with a small c inside of it. Color it in bright white so that it looks like the moon is glowing. This is going to set the stage for our nighttime background for our cities. Fill your sky with stars. There are many different ways to create stars, even shooting stars. Draw stars all over your paper, the top, the bottom, the middle, and the sides. Do you remember the primary colors? Red, yellow, and blue. Choose one of them to create your first building in your city. By cutting a straight line, you can make a rectangle, and that would be your first building. Put it down in the bottom left-hand corner, that way it's touching the ground and not flying. Then choose another primary color, cut another straight line to make your second building. After you've cut your rectangle, you can change the shape of the roof. By cutting two diagonal lines, I've now turned my roof from a straight, flat top into a triangle-topped roof. Keep using your primary colors to make more buildings and fill up your paper. Remember, you can change the height of your building, you can change the roof of your building, and you can use any of the colors in any order that you would like. Did you notice that I'm saving all of my scraps? Don't throw any of them away. Instead, place them off to the side. We're going to use those to make windows and doors and other decorations on our buildings. When you have all of your buildings placed just the way you want them in your city, grab your glue stick and glue them all down. Don't forget to turn your paper over and give it a nice massage. Paper likey. And now we're ready to begin decorating our buildings. Remember those itty-bitty scraps I had you hang on to? You can use those to make windows, doors, chimneys, and other architectural details on your buildings. I like to make each of my buildings different or unique. That way it's very interesting when visitors come to see my city. Speaking of visitors, they're going to want to get inside these fancy new buildings you've created, so make sure you include a door for each building. Thanks for creating these primary colored cityscapes with me today.